Hey there, Lipper family. Day one here at Tbar at Kaizen event at Plant 228. I want you to look at all the really cool ops and current state pictures. Every single station has opportunities. One thing that we learned in Japan is every single day you have to learn. Paul-san taught us, big eyes, big ears. What waste do you see? What waste do you hear? And then how do you relentlessly find it? And what are you going to do about it? How do you teach others to find it? How do you teach them to do things about it? Throughout the Kaizen event, we've got some really cool opportunities that you're seeing in the pictures. How many opportunities do you see? How many wastes can you see just from some simple pictures? We started the day doing 8 waste observations with every single team member. Everyone came up with crazy ideas to eliminate waste to make the job easier. Then we went into process mapping. You can see the team relentlessly starting to document their process from start to finish. Look at all the happy face. That is what Lean's all about, is fun change. Spaghetti diagrams, all the walking, all the material flow diagrams, where every part's staged and where it goes. And here's their current state process map. Every single station says value add, non-value add. The whip cues tell you how many parts are in each station, where all the parts have to be fed, and how it's finished. At the end, we documented how many steps were value added and how many non-value added. 6% of everything we do in Tbar is value added. 94% non-value added waste. That is insanely awesome to find, right? At the end of the day with time studies, what I want to say is be relentless like an eagle. Look from the sky and attack that waste relentlessly, and never let your eyes off the waste.